Hello, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. Today, we're going to talk about alcohol, some of its effects, and how it works. Alcohol can be consumed in many drinks and is measured by alcohol units. One unit could be consumed in a cup or a bottle of beer, a glass of wine, a shot of spirits, or a cup of other drinks. The alcohol we drink is a psychoactive drug made of ethanol, which is produced by plant materials. Alcohol is produced by fermentation of the plant materials. For spirits which have more than 30% or 30%, the alcohol is also being distilled. As we drink alcohol, 20% of the amount we have drank is absorbed immediately by the stomach, and the rest travels to other parts in our body, in our bloodstream. Alcohol reaches our brain after 30 seconds from the time we drank it, and it passes the blood-brain barrier. The blood-brain barrier is a cellular structure in the center of the nervous system. It restricts bad chemicals in organisms, such as bacteria, from entering the brain. Many people think that as we drink alcohol and it gets to the brain, it kills many brain cells. But that is not really true. As alcohol passes the blood-brain barrier, it gets into branches of nerve cells. This damages the brain receives from outside. That is why alcohol slows reaction and gives us bad judgment for things. The nerve cells get damaged, and therefore it causes people to think in a different way. This is why when people are drunk, they say things that they would not say when they are sober, because they think differently and feel more free to do things and say things because they do not think about the consequences of what they do or say. People enjoy drinking alcohol because it makes them feel free and not think too much. This is why people are not allowed, it's not recommended for people to drink when they're driving, and it is illegal. When we drink alcohol, there is excess of calcium flow into the brain, and there are brain segments that are lost. When drinking alcohol, you lose signal and change the brain function. When drinking too much alcohol, or in another language, getting wasted, there is also a loss of coordination and blur vision. All this damage for the brain cell is temporary, of course, until alcohol is absorbed in the cell. Although many people have different ways to sober up, the only thing to sober up is time. It takes the stomach about 1 hour to absorb 1 unit of alcohol. Therefore, people could be drunk even the morning after a drinking night out. For smaller and lighter people, it takes longer to absorb the chemicals when breaking down the alcohol. Many times when consuming a big amount of alcohol, it causes people to lose control of themselves. Another big effect of alcohol is hangover. Hangover is when people feel nauseous, dizzy, have a headache for the day or morning after drinking. This is caused because ethanol in the alcohol causes dehydration to the body, and when breaking down the alcohol, the liver produces toxic waste product to the body. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Drink safely.